What is the difference between ad hoc and permanent international courts? Imagine a world where justice can be swift and tailored to urgent needs, or steady and consistent over time. That's the core of how international courts operate. Some are created for specific conflicts, while others are built to last. When it comes to holding individuals accountable during conflicts, understanding these two types of courts is key. Ad hoc international courts are like emergency response teams. They are set up temporarily to deal with particular situations involving serious violations of international humanitarian law, such as war crimes or genocide. These courts are usually created by the United Nations Security Council through resolutions. They focus on specific conflicts or events, and their jurisdiction is limited to those cases. They often operate outside the country where the crimes happened, staffed mainly by international judges and prosecutors. Their main goal is to deliver justice quickly for grave atrocities when national courts are unable or unwilling to do so. On the other hand, permanent international courts are like long-term institutions. They are established by treaties that countries voluntarily sign and ratify. The most well-known is the International Criminal Court, or the ICC. These courts are always in place, ready to prosecute individuals for international crimes like genocide, war crimes, and crimes against humanity. They have a broader mandate and can handle cases from all over the world. The ICC works on the principle of complementarity, meaning it steps in only when national courts cannot or will not prosecute. The main differences are in their duration and scope. Ad hoc courts are temporary and focus on specific conflicts. Permanent courts are ongoing and have a wider jurisdiction. Ad hoc courts are created by UN resolutions under Chapter 7 of the United Nations Charter, making them binding for all member states during their operation. Permanent courts are based on treaties that countries agree to, giving them a stable legal foundation. Location and staffing also differ. Ad hoc courts are often set up outside the affected country and staffed mainly by international personnel. Permanent courts like the ICC have fixed locations and established structures. Flexibility is another difference. Ad hoc courts can adapt procedures to suit urgent needs, while permanent courts provide consistent legal procedures over time. Both types of courts play vital roles in enforcing international humanitarian law. Ad hoc courts have been crucial in delivering justice for specific conflicts, while permanent courts aim to create a lasting system to deter future violations. They both help ensure that individuals who commit war crimes or crimes against humanity are held responsible. This focus on individual accountability supports the protection of civilians and upholds the rule of law during times of war.